welcome to the Maths Tutor. In our last videos, we studied about the different ways to solve a pair of linear equation that is given in two variables. Today, something related to that solving a system of equation which is reducible to a system of simultaneous linear equation. In this, that two equations are given, but the equation are not in the form of linear equations. They are just a system of equations, but we have to reduce them in linear equations and then we have to solve them. Then how we do? Like the example is 2 by under root x plus 3 by under root y is equal to 2. It is our first equation. Second is 4 by under root x minus 9 by under root y is equal to minus 1. It is our second equation. It is not a linear equation because in linear equation its form is ax plus by plus c is 0. Here x and y both variables are in denominator. So first we reduce them. Check that these both the denominators are same or not. Here under root x, here under root x, here under root y, here under root y. We change these denominators to another variables. So let or put it is, we put our 1 by under root x is equal to u and 1 by under root y is equal to v. So now reduce these equations. It is 2 multiply 1 by under root x. So how we write this equation? It is 2 as it is. Under root x, 1 by under root x, it is our u. Then plus 3. 1 by under root y, it is our v, is equal to 2. Same as it is our second equation, that is 4 by under root x, it is 4u minus 9. 1 by under root y, it is our v, is equal to minus 1. These are our two equations that are in linear equations form. Now it's our choice to solve these equations by any method, by elimination, substitution, cross multiplication, any method. So we solve this by elimination method here. And what was in the elimination method? That we have to equal to make the same coefficients of any variable, whether it is of x or it is of y. But here variables of u and variables of v. So we make equal of u. Here it is 2 and here it is 4. So if we multiply our equation number first by 2, then it is 2 2s are 4u. It means that both the coefficients of this variable u are same. So if we are multiplying, then multiply equation 1 by 2. So our number, it is 2 2s are 4u plus 3 2s are 6v is equal to 2 2s are 4. Now second equation as it is 4u minus 9v is equal to minus 1. Now we have to eliminate this u. So both have positive sign. It means we have to subtract these two. On subtracting, and when we subtract that, we have to change the signs of the second equation. So it is of positive, it becomes negative. It is negative, it becomes positive. It also becomes positive. So plus 4 and minus 4 both cancels each other. It is 9 plus 6, 15. It is 15v and it is 4 plus 1, 5. We have to find the value of v from here. So we shift 15 to the another side. It is 5 by 15. 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15. So our value of v is 3. Now we have to put the value of v in any equation to find out the value of u. So we put in equation number first. So put or substitute the value of v in equation first. And what is our equation? It is 2u plus 3v is equal to 2. So write 2u as it is plus 3 multiply. What is the value of v? It is 1 by 3 is equal to 2. This 3 cancel each other. It is 2u plus 1. It is 1. So we have to shift 1 to another side. So here it is of positive. Another side it becomes negative. So 2 minus 1 it is 1. Same as it is, we shift 2. So it is 1 by 2. So these are our values of u and v. But in our questions, we have to find the values of x and y, not for u and v. So come to our here where we substitute that, put under root 1 by under root x is equal to u and 1 by under root v is equal to y. Here we put the value of u and v, then we find the value of x and y. So it is 1 by under root x is equal to u. 1 by under root x. What is the value of u? It is 1 by 2. Cross multiply each other. If we multiply under root x by 1, our answer is under root x is equal to. If we multiply 2 by 1, our answer is 2. But it is under root x and we have to find the value of x. So what we do? Squaring both sides. Squaring both sides. So if we do squaring, it is under root x square and it is our 2 square. Under root and square cancels each other. It is x and it is square of 2, it is 4. So it is our value, that is the value of x is equal to our 4. Same as it is, we find the value of v. It is 1 by under root y is equal to v. 1 by under root y is equal to v. So 1 by under root y, what is the value of v? It is 1 by 3. Cross multiply each other. That if we multiply under root by 1. So what is our answer? Under root y. Same as it is 3 by 1, it is 3. Here under root y and we have to need only under roots, y. So what we do? Squaring both sides. So it is y and it is square of 3, it is 9. So like this we have to reduce the given equations in linear equation and then solve according to our methods. It is our choice to solve, we are solving by which method. So it is only that type where x and y, that instead of our linear equations, these x and y are in the denominator of the coefficients. The second form or the next type of this is we take another example, that is 8v minus 3u. It is 8v minus 3u is equal to 5uv, and the second one is 6v minus 5u is equal to minus 2uv. In this, the equation is in two variables, but here the extra thing is uv. In our linear equation, the form is only like this. The general form, it is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. That with the coefficient a, x variable, with the coefficient of b, it is y variable, and the constant term c. But here the uv, both the variables come together. So what we do here, that we divide the full equation by this number, it is uv. So we divide the both sides of the equation by uv. So what happened? It is first equation 8v minus 3u is equal to 5uv. That on dividing it by uv, what happened? V cancels V, U cancels U, and UV cancels UV. So what remains here? It is 8 by U minus 3 by V is equal to 5. One equation, same as it is second equation, that is, we divide it also 6V by UV minus 5U by UV is equal to minus 2UV by UV. V cancels V, U cancels U, UV cancels UV. So our equation is 6 by U minus 5 by V is equal to minus 2. But what is this? That both the equations are not in the form of linear equation. So we have to make them linear. So what we do here, that as in the previous question, that is, put 1 by u is equal to x and 1 by v is equal to y. So here 8 into 1 by u, it is our x. So it is 8x minus 3 by v, 3 multiply 1 by v, it is 3y is equal to 5. Second, 6 by u, it is 6x minus 5y is equal to minus 2. These are our two equations. So we solve these equations by any method, by elimination method, substitution or cross multiplication. So it is our first equation and it is our second. So what we do, that we use here the elimination method. So we have to eliminate whether x or whether y. So we eliminate here y. So what is the coefficient of y here? It is 3 and here it is 5. So if we multiply in cross both the both the equation, that if we multiply it is by 5 and second equation by 3. So 3 5s it is 15 and 5 3s it is 15. Then both the coefficients of the y are same. So multiply equation number first by 5. It is 4 5s are 40, 8 5s are 40x minus 3 5s are it is 15y is equal to 5 5s are 25. Second by 3, 6 3s are 18x minus 5 3s are 15y is equal to minus 6. But here both the both the coefficients of the y have the same sign. So what we do? Subtract. So on subtracting, what will be our answer? That we have to change the sign first. It is of negative, it is of positive, it is of positive. So it is positive, it is negative. So we subtract these two. 10 minus 8 it is 2. 3 minus 1 it is 2. 22x. Plus 15 and minus 15y cancels each other is equal to 25 plus 6. It is our 31. So what is the value of x here? It is 31 by 22. In this case, the value of our x is 31 by 22. So we find the value of y. So putting the values in any equation, we put in equation number first. So put the value of x in equation first. Our equation is 8x minus 3y is equal to 5. So 8. What is the value of x? It is 31 by 22 minus 3y is equal to 5. So here both the numbers are cancelled by 2. 2 4s are 8. 2 1s are 2. 2 1s are 2. Multiply 4 and 31. 4 1s are 4. 4 3s are 12. It is 124 by 11 minus 3y is equal to 4. But here we have to find the value of y. So we have to shift all the numbers, all the coefficients to the other side. So here 125 it is of positive, on the other side it is of negative. So take the LCM. LCM of 1 and 11, it is 11. If we divide 1 and 11, our answer is 11. 11 5s are 55. 11 ones are 11. 124 ones are 124. So it is of positive, it is of negative. Subtract these two. 14 minus 5, it is 9. 11 minus 5, it is our 6. So by 11, it is our minus 3y, and it is also negative because the larger number has negative sign. So here negative sign cancel each other, or we are solving like this, that y, it is minus 69 by 11. We are shifting 3. Here 3 is in multiplication, on the other side it is in division. So 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9. So what is the value of y? It is 23 by 11. So these are the values of x and y, but we have to find the values of u and y. So 1 by u is equal to x. 1 by u is equal to x. 1 by u, value of x, it is 31 by 22. Here one way, by cross multiply, and second, the reciprocal, the both sides. If we are reciprocal the both sides, then numerator becomes denominator and denominator becomes numerator. So it is u and it is 22 by 31. Same as it is v, that is 1 by v is equal to y. What is the value of y? It is our 23 by 11. Same as it is, that we reciprocal, and v is equal to 11 by 23. So these are our questions that in which, or these are our second type of solving the equations, in which the equation is not in the form of linear equation. So first we reduce them in the linear equations, and then we solve them equation and find the value of the variables. So it is enough for today. Thank you, and don't forget to like, comment and share. Thank you.